Carmen's plight.
Carmen the Crane flew during migration. Vaping unknowing of bad conditions.
Arguing with family.
Coughing in agony.
So Carmen the Crane dropped her addiction. Nicotine can cause pain to you and your family.
T the turtle?
T was addicted to eating trash.
He would scarf down butts and ash.
When friends called him lame,
Loser.
the addiction he overcame.
I can do this.
He stopped before he would crash.
Smoking can hurt your loved ones mentally and physically.
Cosmic consequences.
Kevin grabbing his vape to take a sniff.
After thinking about it, he took a whiff. His little brother yelled,
No more!
With tears in his eyes starting to pour.
He hid his vape swift and decided to quit.
Smoking takes time off your life. Wouldn't you rather spend it with your family?
Jimmy and the nicotine.
Jimmy was an average teen. Until he got addicted to nicotine.
You want some?
He tried to get his friends into it,
Ew.
No way.
but they didn't like it one bit. So he gave it up and went clean.
Smoking as a teen can cause an addiction to nicotine.
Beamed. Dave was 13 and addicted to nicotine. Handling school didn't help him come clean.
Once he took it upon himself.
Nuh-uh, no way.
To put the tobacco back on the shelf.
Then his attitude and confidence beamed.
Don't let nicotine control you.
Josh's addiction. Josh, Jewel isn't a tool to relieve stress.
So stop being so obsessed. That's 10 years off your life.
Now he might be in rife.
I'll quit now!
He now confesses. You can make choices, but you aren't free of the consequences.
Chucky, no more.
Chucky got bored, so he wanted to explore. He went to 7-Eleven and started to adore.
Oh.
He began to smoke and thought it relieved his stress. Until his lungs got black and he went into cardiac arrest.
Ow!
He quit smoking and his joy started to soar.
Yeah!
You may feel good about smoking now, but you won't feel the same tomorrow.
John the Match. Once, John had nothing to do all day, so he tried smoking all the way. John felt his lungs choking.
He figured it was the smoking. So he quit and got back to feeling okay. Don't burn bridges when it comes to your health. Stop smoking now.
Joe's decision. Once a boy had a mouthful of chew.
Around his friends, he didn't know what to do.
Till his heart started to pound.
And he fell to the ground.
He spit it out and started anew. Spit out the chew and start anew. Ray's quitting.
There once was a boy named Ray. He tried vaping to take the stress away.
Quitting was the answer.
Quit it!
'Cause vaping causes cancer.
Now Ray has a lot to say.
Stop it!
Vaping won't take stress away.
Drooling isn't a drool.
I knew a girl named Kate who loved to jewel.
You want some?
Yeah.
Kate puffed because she thought it was cool.
She didn't know about all the harm. Hey. Once she did, she couldn't stay calm.
We can do this.
To help her lungs, she quitted the jewel before the nicotine won the duel.
Your health is the real gem. Keep it shining bright.
From strife to a full life.
Tommy was addicted to nicotine.
So he didn't care about COVID-19.
It took 10 years off his life.
So he stopped with the strife. As he stopped, it boosted his self-esteem.
Stay in shape, put down the vape.
Nicotine, Neo.
Neo was smoking an e-cig one day to help himself feel good on his way.
He found out they cause disease.
What?
And there would be no ease.
And he decided to push them away.
To
To be safe from disease, quit e-cigs to be at ease.
Tobacco Philip. Philip the alien came to Earth in a disguise. He made a tobacco company to rob humans of their lives. But hurting them harmed him too. Trapped inside their lungs like glue.
He freed the humans to return to the skies.
Set yourself free! Don't use Philip's products.